Hi, in this video we would like to talk about data analysis settings. In the Setting and Data Analysis section, we are able to see the RFM segmentation settings. As you know, in customers are classified based on the RFM segmentation method. In the Analysis of Period section, you can select in which period customers should be analyzed. For those businesses which have high commerce, setting a shorter time frame is recommended. And accordingly, for those businesses which have low commerce, you ought to set a longer time frame. For defining a time frame, you should evaluate how long it takes for a customer to buy a product from you 3 or 4 times on average. If a significant number of customers in a 3-month period have made 3 or 4 purchases, in this case, choosing a 3-month period is suitable. But if customers have made 3 or 4 purchases in a year, a 1-year period is a good choice. The item from the beginning of the data is from the very first issued invoice time. Note that the system can also give you a custom period, so if you need one, you can use it. If you want to have the RFM analysis for a smaller segment of customers, you can use the Mode section. For example, assume that you want to analyze the segmentation based on customers' gender, or a company wants to analyze its customer segmentation based on their purchase behavior in a certain city. In these cases, you can use the Mode feature to select a certain section so that the analysis will be made for those specific customers. In the Choose Monetary Index section, you can change the indicator which is based on your type of business. Also, you can change the frequency indicator based on your type of business too. You have these kind of choices in the Choose Frequency Index. In the next part, you can also remove the outlier segment from the RFM segmentation analysis. By selecting the Remove Data, those customers who have purchased so high or so low will be eliminated from the analysis, and the final segmentation will be more accurate based on the overall behavior of the customers. In the Choose Customer Segmentation Count, you can change the number of the RFM segments. In order to analyze customers' behavior, some businesses choose 3 or 6 segmentations. In the Scoring Method section, you can change the scoring type. For instance, by selecting the manual item, I can change the period. For example, I want to give more scores to those who have purchased in the last 30 days. By changing this variation, the type of scoring will be updated. The manual scoring setting can be by percentage. For instance, I want the system to score the highest to the 10% who have purchased recently. We can do this scoring type for monetary and frequency indicators as well. If the automatic item is on, the customers will be divided by 20%. Finally, I click on the Save setting to finalize the process and save the changes.